There should be no reason why I'm fucking this up. I have the lyrics right in front of me. I'm really good at singing.
No, let's record it. Try to record it one more time.
Yeah, fine. You say I'm a hack, a one-trick pony, no ass to follow. All the talent that I've gained is not mine. It's all bought because I'm just a phony. When I step on the stage, it's like a dark age, a crossfade, and I hear you all scream at me in rage. Oh, look at this, y'all. I'm halfway trying to step up the game, trying to pull himself up and rise above the great acclaim. But fuck the same shit. I'm doing this for no one but me. I'm like a rarity, a diamond and coal. I'm gonna make you see.
One-trick pony's only got one song, and one-trick pony plays it all night long. One-trick pony never tries something new. One-trick pony could be me or it could be you. One-trick pony's only got one song, and one-trick pony plays it all night long. One-trick pony never tries something new. One-trick pony could be me or it could be you. Trick, 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 trick.
You want this bomb rate? I'll show you all the meaning of ferocity when I step on the stage. There's no copy me, no stopping me. A one-trick pony, at least I know just what I'm good at. We're falling on the ground just like a bug fight. Just stop that, just get back. There's more to us than meets the fucking eye. We're not some ragtag tools to disappoint. We were surprised. Everyone who tries to front and come at us, we've had it. Time to make the crowd go wild with this track. That's just a fucking talent. Talent, 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 talent. One-trick pony plays it all night long. One-trick pony never tries something new. One-trick pony could be me or it could be you. One-trick pony's only got one song, and one-trick pony plays it all night long. One-trick pony never tries something new. One-trick pony could be me or it could be you. Trick, 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 we know our place. A talent made ours is no disgrace. And sticking to our guns, we're good at it. Putting smiles across the faces of our fans, friends and family with our songs that don't rhyme. So sublime, so just stop treating it as if it's a crime. Cause in the long haul, it's not about rising up to the fame. It's the journey you tail. Remember from where you came. And when you look back, you'll open your eyes and finally know me. Cause it doesn't matter no more. We're all just one-trick pony. One-trick pony, 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 one-trick pony. Only got one song, and one-trick pony plays it all night long. One-trick pony never tries something new. One-trick pony could be me or it could be you. One-trick pony's only got one song, and one-trick pony plays it all night long. One-trick pony never tries something new.